5 things you must do to improve your life. First, charge yourself with positivity. Close your eyes and thank God for giving you a wonderful life. Also, thank people who contributed to your success. Second, small steps towards goal. Small things lead to a big success. Visualize your goal, break it into pieces, and take steps to achieve each piece daily. Third, positive vision. Everyone has positive and negative. Our minds only focus on the negative and remain upset. Look at the positive side and be happy. Fourth, trust broader plan. Every incident happening to you that is beyond your control is part of the bigger picture. Accept what you cannot change. Believe in God and keep moving. Fifth, spread love. Everyone is fighting their own battle that we don't know. Share empathy, love, and kindness.